Will? Okay. Now, let's just look at where we're at. Yesterday, you know very well what we did. Okay, Lee, how about you tell me what we did, what we finished off doing yesterday?
Yesterday we were examining hairs. Oh, sorry.
Keep going.
And we were doing, last lesson we were studying the layers of paints.
Okay.
And all the different colours and pigment.
And so what did you learn? What did you learn from that? Kate? Sorry? Oh, okay, fine. Lots of different colours, all right? Do you agree, Jennifer? Okay, stop being so formal, by the way. Okay, so yesterday you had the microscope, you looked at the paint chips. The previous day you looked at the hairs under the microscope and you looked at the different fibres. Okay, but yesterday's class went very well because you, in fact, all of you were able to get very, very good microscope shots of the different layers of paint. Today, as I talked to you yesterday, we're going to do an activity on fingerprinting. All right, fingerprinting. It's actually contained in this book here that both Mr. Harding and Miss Mackey are co-authors of. The pages. We start on page 14 of page. Better get the page right, hadn't I? Page 14 on fingerprints. What we're going to do a couple of activities. You're going to make fingerprints. You're actually going to take your own fingerprints. You are going to examine those fingerprints under a hand lens. You'll actually then put them in your book. So you've got a permanent record in your own science book of your own fingerprints. There's soap and towels up the back there so you can wash your hands after doing that. There are some questions. I don't know if you'll have time to answer those questions today. The next activity, we've got a fair bit to do. The second one will be dusting for fingerprints. Okay? Now, in that, we've got a whole series of different surfaces. They're up behind Lee and Amanda there. There are the different surfaces. If you just turn around this way for a moment, please. The paper here is to stop getting all the powder on the desk. There are different surfaces. You've got these porcelain, a nice hard porcelain surface that you can put a print on. You've got paper. You can do a print with paper. You can do a print, put a print on this. Now the point is that once you touch something, what happens when you touch something? Sorry, Ashley? Okay. Why does it leave a fingerprint on it, Ashley? Okay. Sorry, Aaron? Okay. That's all right. You can say it. All right, so you'll leave grease and that oils behind. And therefore, what we're going to do is try to get something to stick to those oils to make it visible. Well, we've got two types of powder. We've got talcum powder there, like a salt shaker, really. And we've also got carbon powder there. We've also got some brushes. Why would we use the? Why would I have two different sorts of powder? Steve? Sorry?
See what the difference is.
Yeah, just give me some more.
For different surfaces?
Okay. So for this, for example, what am I going to use on this if I want to see the print?
Black.
Yeah, exactly. So to do with the contrast. And then when you've done that, hopefully that'll. You've got a brush there so you can brush it very gently. When you've done that, what you can then finally do, once you've got the print, once you've got a reasonable copy of the print, you can take the sticky tape, put it over the print, over the surface, put the sticky tape over it, then when you lift off the sticky tape, what should happen? The print should come with it and you can stick that into your book. Okay? Now, I want to do one other thing. I want to show you another technique that I don't want you to do, but in fact, this one here is, if I've got a rough surface, and for example, a piece of rough paper, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a print on it like that. Okay? Now, that's a rough surface, not easy to get a print on it. I'm going to show you another technique I'm going to put this in here. I'm now going to go over to the fume hood because I'm using a compound, a chemical iodine, and its vapours are a little bit unpleasant, so that's why I'm putting it in here. I'm just putting a couple of things of iodine in there. Iodine is a solid, but just like dry ice. What did dry ice do when it... did it melt? It went straight from a solid to...
Gas.
Yeah. Iodine is exactly the same. It goes straight from a solid to a gas. And so what I'm going to do, and as it turns into a gas, the iodine molecules will actually stick to the paper and should make them visible. Anyway, we'll see by the end of the period. Okay, what I want you to do for just a couple of minutes is look over what we have to do. I know we looked over it a little bit yesterday. Look over what we have to do on pages 14 through to 17. Sorry, 16. And just for a moment, have a look over that, then in a couple of minutes we'll actually get started on the activities. Okay? Don't read in detail, just overview it. Okay? Yeah, you'll need to put a heading in your book, Ryan. Yes, fingerprinting. Just under where we did the paint chips, right? And Ryan, spit it in the bin, please. Okay. So. All right.
Can you read it for me?
You read very well, Aaron. Huh?
So we're watching the S-AU1 next month?
Sorry? No, I don't want you to write what I've got on the board there.
Pretty bad. So how about
That's just for you to refer to. Yep.
do we just draw up a table like
Sorry?
that? Do we draw up a table like that?
No, I've already got the sheets for you here. Come down.
Charlie, can't put it on a pen because it really
You haven't got a pen, Aaron.
I've lost my pen.
One of you give me both my
Grant
pencils,
stole
I
it.
know, I don't know.
You can't touch it. What? Thank you.
Nothing is necessary, Charlie.
I'm sorry.
I can't believe you come to class without a pen, Aaron. It's really not a good way to go about your studies, is it? Right? What's the problem?
No, I just lost it.
When? So you've been at school now for 2 days without a pen?
Yeah.
Great. Absolutely great, Aaron. Okay. Tom, have you got a pen with you today? Tom? Good. I'm so delighted. Okay. Right. Johnny, just quickly tell us what we're going to do. Yep.
And then put our finger in the box that we draw up. In the right one.
Okay.
Then examine them.
Okay. Examine them. Put them in your book. Okay. These are the A4 sheets, so you don't get your book all grubby. You can do it on these. That's what this is for over here. You'll have to be fairly efficient. That's the first bit. And then, yep, Victoria, what are you going to do the second part of the experiment? Yeah, and then the activity though. Sorry? Okay, dust the...
Prints.
Okay, Will?
We draw up a table on the sheet.
Yeah, you draw up a table on here is the way to do it. Okay? All right. Now listen, I've talked enough and you've sat down long enough. Let's get on with this. You all know what to do. Get on with it. Do the prints first and then we'll go on to the dusting of the surfaces. Up to you now.
How many can we work in?
Groups of 2 or 3 is fine. Okay?
Charlie. You farted. Sorry.
Oh, I hope I'm not acting.
You're acting for the
Oh, really?
You don't usually have everything on that. Ouch.
Your comments have been recorded.
A4 sheet.
That's a bit unfair, Claire. I think you're doing me a harsh injustice.
You know how you gave us the A4 sheet?
Yep.
Can we even just do it in our book anyway?
Yes, you can. Of course, yeah. Just that sometimes it smudges, that's all.
Yep.
How are we going? Oh, you've got your railway tracks in, right. Does it hurt or not?
Metal mouth.
Yeah, I sent you an email.
I sent you an email.
How tight is it?
Pardon?
How tight is it?
I don't know how tight because it's the first time, so I don't know how tight it is. But it really hurts.
Yeah, because they're meant to move them in position. Okay. Ryan, come on. Good. Okay. You okay, Miranda? Good.
I'm not. I'm tired.
Why?
Because this school starts too early. The pictures too late.
Did you go to play last night, did you?
No, I'm going to tonight.
Oh, good. Sorry?
I go to Perth tomorrow, so I get to sleep.
Perth?
Where do you stay?
Oh, there should be a whole heap of ink pads. There should be enough between one ink pad between 4 people. Yeah, they're just there. You won't take a moment. Oh, and soap and towels over here if you need to wash your hands.
So let's fingerprint.
My thumb. Nachos for dinner last night. I love nachos.
They get smaller.
You may care to put on a coat, by the way, if you don't want to get any, don't want to get grubby.
I like
Excuse me, Mr. Burrows.
You know grubby and needy?
Sorry, you were meant to draw up a table first. Oh, who did that?
Fingers everywhere.
Yeah, there's plenty of paper over there, Grant.
Get me.
Aaron just doing this.
Yeah,
Is that how we do it like
yeah,
that?
yeah.
Let me see your fingers.
The fingerprints work a little bit better if they're not quite so heavy. Don't put too much ink on your hands.
Get a new microphone thing.
Like that?
Oh, yeah, that's probably a touch heavy. Just a little bit lighter. Maybe if you use that again the second time around, it'll probably work okay.
Mr. Burrows, is this good?
The ink washer.
It's terrific, Ryan. That's actually good.
Because I did
It's fine. Perfect. A little, maybe a touch heavy. That's good. Right. That's fantastic. Good. Not too heavy. That's all.
You meant to just do one hand.
No, you meant to do both hands. Okay.
I figured mine was missing heavy.
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes if you put one on there to take it a little bit off the second one, that's much better. Yes. Yeah. Because if you were leaving fingerprints, you wouldn't normally leave ones like that, would you?
We do like ones like this.
Yeah. Okay.
Are you gonna get annoyed if we muck around in front of
No.
the camera?
It's a normal class.
So I like how you...
Tim, don't you hate science?
Claire's already told me off. Don't worry. That's perfect. That's much better. That shows it much more clearly.
Don't you hate science?
That's fantastic.
right hand and then all the things down
Natty, that's what you get.
Do we do both fingers on both hands?
Now it'll be the other way around, won't it? So thumb, then it'll be index, middle. And remember, when you do the right hand, it goes in reverse order to the left hand, doesn't it?
Nah, it doesn't.
Oh, well. Okay. Not too heavy, Tom. Claire, how are we going? That's good, yeah. Brian, you're actually now becoming annoying. Okay? Stephen, are you okay?
like chirps or something?
Just check with Miss Mackie if she's got... what, are you saying it won't come off with soap?
Oh, have you got soap?
Yeah, soap's here.
Okay.
Okay. Just put your hands down in the sink. Oh, Ryan.
I didn't do that.
Oh. Would really help me a great deal if you could leave the fingerprints on the paper and not on the desk surfaces.
What's your room?
I might be looking for volunteers, Aaron, at lunchtime.
Why did Claire tell you off?
Oh, you know what Claire's like. She thinks it's her job to get me and make me a better teacher.
That one was too blotchy, so I didn't.
Oh, great. Yeah, that's good. Okay.
Are they dark enough?
I think they are, actually. Yeah, I think they're fine. They actually show the detail. Yeah. That's beautiful, that one there, isn't it? That one there is perfect. Because you can actually see the walls. Yeah, it's terrific, Eureka. Yeah, beautiful. Can you see that one? That one's perfect. See that? Yeah. See all the fine detail there? Great. You need to label it though, don't you? Yeah. You okay with that? Good.
I'm doing mine again because I didn't see the world.
Okay. Right. It's actually better if it's not too heavy, isn't it? Yeah, that's beautiful. It really is perfect, isn't it? It's amazing to think that it's fairly simple, and yet they can identify people just from fingerprints. Right? You right, Tom?
Can I start this, Mr. Burrows? Thanks.
Yeah, yes.
Traps, if you watch
Just keep working your way through, Angus.
Yeah, and he's thinking about you. Traps, falling.
You dust your own prints?
Yes, you make a print.
No, the ones that you...
Oh, no, they're...
Second set.
You make... Yeah, in other words,
Sorry,
now this is like you're a criminal and you've left a fingerprint, right, on the surface.
So I don't need ink.
Oh, no, you don't. No, you use the dust. The talcum.
I put dust on my fingers and then...
No.
Put my fingers down and then dust.
You just touch the surface, right, and then surely you won't see anything. So to try to make it visible, you then use the dust to see if it can.
Just stick the tape on.
Just like if you're a police and you go into a room and you want to find out what's happened.
I'm not everybody's hands.
No, okay, you're not. Right.
You can do everybody's hands. Everybody's hands.
No, we don't have to be. It'd be nice if yours were in your own book, Grant. Right? Can I just have your attention for one moment, please? Is it clear to you all that in the second activity you don't use the ink? And I'd rather you didn't spray that talcum powder into the air, thank you. I really don't think you should be breathing that into your lungs. Thanks, Charlie. Okay, get on with it.
Ink doesn't come out. John, you just do like what is it?
Why is it bad luck?
Yes. You're talking about Johnny to get.
And at some stage too, I'd like you to inspect the jar here just to see how the fingerprints that I left are slowly emerging from the iodine. Just have a...
Natalie, don't you still like Lee?
Sorry? What's wrong, Angus?
Barely at all.
All right. Doesn't, does it? I can see a little bit. Have you used the hand lens just to examine it?
Okay.
Just try it. It may not be that good. I would have thought that surface would be okay. Try a clear surface with either the talc or with the glass surface with either the talc or the carbon powder.
Who are you?
Maddie, you okay with this? Fine. Good.
Maybe.
Ryan? Okay. Just do your tie up too. All right.
I need to be in the film.
Yes, I know, but you need to do your type. You wouldn't normally do like that. Oh, good.
Look, turned out well.
Where's that? Angus? Look, that's Stevens. Maybe you had.
I see that.
Maybe you had washed your hands fairly thoroughly.
Is this Stevie?
That's mine.
Okay.
You wash your hands?
Did you do your fingerprints with the and wash your hands?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, right.
It looks pretty good.
But Angus, that's come out beautifully.
So why is your mine sort of like that?
Oh, that's perfect, isn't it? Now, can you sticky tape over that and lift that off?
Look at mine.
I don't reckon you've got any oils leaking out.
Look at that, Mr. Barrows Marrows.
Well, that's worked okay. Look at that. Angus?
Blow it.
Okay, let's just get most of this off now, Theodora. That's not very clear at all, is it? I'd try another one if I were you.
Okay.
Just get some paper, clean it off, and try it with
How much should I put on?
just enough to cover it all. Okay. Doesn't matter if you put a bit too much on, and then just gently brush it across. Well, no, you got those the brushes there. No, if you brush it very lightly, it won't. I mean, if you brush too hard, yes, it will.
Mine didn't work probably because
Perfect.
I washed my hands.
Yeah, but why did Ashley's work so well?
That's my hands are probably oilier because I
Bones,
didn't wash
that one all right.
Oh, okay.
That's Ashley's, but I'll just...
Now, how did you do that this time, Agnes? Sorry?
A little bit of ink on it.
Ah, you're cheating.
Yesterday he was a good guy. I know he's a cheater.
Oh, yeah.
Barrow.
I know.
Yes.
I washed my hands. So. Look, I'm Sherlock Holmes.
Perfect.
Mr. Barrow.
I'm really disappointed in your attitude, Ryan. Really. We talked about this yesterday and the day before, didn't we?
No, potential.
We talked about your maturity. And just trying to... Come on, get on with it. Ryan, you really are... At the moment, you're a big disappointment to me.
Mr. Barrow.
You made a big fuss yesterday because your dad was coming up to the school to talk with Miss Reedy. Right?
Yeah, Mr. Bose.
Come on, just calm down.
Is that right?
Oh, yeah, that's right. Probably a little bit heavy, that's right, if you just off a little bit more, but you can certainly see the fingerprints there, can't you? Yeah. And I think if you tape over that and lift it off, it might be fine.
See the fingerprints?
Most of you are forgetting to put down paper so you don't make a mess of the benches. When you do the dusting, put down the paper, please.
Where do you stick it? So that
In
I
your
put
in your book.
No, but you're not going to see it, are you?
Oh, aren't you? Okay, well then...
It's white on white.
Oh, okay. Yes, you're right. So I guess really the...
Carbon thing is going to work
Perfect. Yeah, it's
better.
great. Yeah. I guess we're putting in your book, you're right. The only thing, Claire... Hang on, no. We have got some black paper here, Claire. Technically, you could probably do that and then put that in your book.
Did you watch the Simpsons last did you watch it? A little bit. That's Ashley's because I watched mine.
Gee, I recognise those prints. Seen them somewhere before. Oh, good. Perfect, yeah. You can see them quite clearly, can't you? Okay. Anyway, try different surfaces, please. Yes? Sorry? No, well, maybe it's not a good surface for using it. It's been a while since I've done this. I would have thought it would be a slightly rough surface, isn't it? Yeah, just try another one anyway, maybe another finger or something like that, but I think it might work. Not working?
The purple stuff does.
So? Yeah, well, glass should certainly work quite well with the black powder. Please remember to put down paper. Thank you. Jennifer? Yep. Good. That's what the newspaper is for.
This is really good.
I thought it was for reading.
No, use I think use paper towel for that, Will.
Okay, where's the powder? Do we have a powder back? Yes, you did.
Tell me when to stop putting it on.
Stop.
No, I think just clean them off with some paper towel, Amy. I think they'll probably need cleaning with detergent or something like that. I'll just check what Mackie wants to do, but just rub them down with paper towel, I think. Did they work okay or not? Did you use the sticky tape to get that? No. Oh, remember? If you use a sticky tape to then put them in your book?
Oh yeah, no, we did.
Okay. Next one you dust. Try to then, if it comes out okay, lift it off with sticky tape.
That's enough.
Put it in your book. Just to. Okay.
Do it again.
I think that's what I believe that's what they do. When you get it on there, put the sticky tape over the print, peel it off, and hopefully the powder should now stay on the sticky tape. Ooh.
The other one's straight up in there.
Huh?
The one in there's
Yeah, I've
straight
had a look.
What did you see, Joe?
It's just like brown. It's coming up in like. Well, on the other side is.
Yeah, I touched it on both sides actually. Yeah. Okay.
I'll get the sticky tape, Stephen.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
You can certainly see the. It's probably a bit too heavy. You'll need to dust it off a bit more than that, won't you? Is it coming out or not?
On the white one it came out, but on this it's not.
It's not. Okay. Yeah, see, that should be a good surface for getting fingerprints on. Okay.
Is it like a special technique?
No, there's not. No. Yeah, I think you're brushing too heavily. That's all. No, I can't. No. What I suggest you do, it might be better if you actually do it on the upper surface, because that means any other powder will actually go off. You with me? Try it again. Just brush it down with some tape, and then whichever sort of part of you might be have the most grease on it. Okay, see if you can make a decent print. Have a look. You're getting a lot of. That's good. It's very clear, isn't it? If you put tape over that now, you should be able to put that in your book.
Oh, this metal thing.
Sorry?
Glass, too.
Yeah, well, glass is a good hard surface, isn't it? Nice and smooth. Oh, good. Okay. Yeah, now put tape over that, Tom, and peel off and put in your book, please. You want it down the man? Ah!
Can I go for a tight like
Steal
this?
our thing on us.
And then look at that.
What's that, Bill? Great. Great. You need to go, do you?
Can I stick this
Didn't you go this morning, Stephen? Okay, hurry up.
The thing doesn't work because...
How do you rip it off with sticky tape?
Which one? Not those.
Oh.
No, the ones on there. Like, see the ones that Charlie's got? That's already done. You just stick those in your book now.
Okay.
The ones there, those ones, if you want to get them off, you peel them off. You with me? Right. Aaron, are you okay?
Yeah. I did my fingerprints and everything.
Good. Now, have you done any on the hard surfaces and done any dusting, Aaron? No. Might be worth your while having a crack at that. What did I say about paper down so you don't...
I didn't do that.
Oh, you didn't.
It was here.
So you can clean up the benches there.
Talcum powder onto this, I think this one, and then I put it. I put that on there, and it sort of worked here, sort of did.
Okay.
And I put that on there, and then
Not visual?
it didn't really
No,
work.
okay, no, that's fine.
Tried another one.
I think maybe the only ones that'll work
I
will
think
be
I
the...
just washed my hands, and maybe that.
Oh, okay. The glass one with the black powder, the carbon powder, might be the best one for that, to put in your book.
Oh no, I didn't.
Okay.
Well,
Has anyone been able to lift prints off with the sticky tape?
Yeah, it works not very well.
Not very well. What?
Yeah.
Let's try.
so can I have to do it again? Print.
Certainly looks like it to me. Not very clear though, is it? Okay. Just maybe try on the upper surface. That might also be okay. Just okay.
I have to do that experiment again because it didn't really work.
Yeah, of course. Plenty of time. Won't take a moment. I'd like you all to get at least one fingerprint lifted off so you can put that in your book, please.
I washed my hands, that's why. So it didn't work.
Ah. with the sticky tape with the black powder on, so the.
We've done all of them and none of them have worked for me.
Oh,
None
okay.
of the black stuff has worked.
None has worked.
Only the white.
Has anyone got the carbon powder working or not?
What, this black stuff?
Just like, did that work? Dad?
Yeah. Not really.
Can't see.
Yeah. Yeah, I can, but can you lift that off with sticky to know? Oh, Angus.
There you go.
What do you got so much powder there for? No, the idea is to dust very lightly. If you make it too heavy, it'll be unclear.
Sticky tape.
Oh, good.
No, like I put the print on the sticky tape.
All right. I don't think that'll work actually in the criminal justice system, will it?
Why not?
You think the criminals are going to go around putting their prints on sticky tape for you?
My name is My name.
Get out of here.
My name is.
What do you think? I can't see it.
There is one.
That's cheating, Jennifer.
You see it?
Oh, it's not time yet.
What are you doing, Mr. Barry? Finger in there.
I can see
No?
it.
I can't.
I can.
Really, show me. Oh, that's, we shouldn't have that glass slide. It's broken, isn't it?
The black stuff doesn't work, dude.
Oh, yuck. Okay, I can see it, but it doesn't seem quite clear enough, does it?
Work, yeah.
No.
Something. Oh, I don't really have anything. You can't do it. Oh. It doesn't.
No, right. Well, you can actually see it there at a particular angle, but it's
Should
certainly
I
not.
tape it?
Well, only tape it if it'll come off
You
properly.
just put your finger on like that and then pour black stuff on.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's sort of.
It's perfect.
Or
Yeah, and now I just go.
and yeah, just sprinkle over it and just
Oh, you can see mine.
just lightly.
And then I brush.
Hopefully, the carbon powder will stick to the oils that you leave behind. Unfortunately, we
So every time you touch
Yeah.
something,
And then you brush it.
every time you touch something with your fingers, it leaves oil.
yes,
And then you brush it.
yeah, just brush it very lightly though. Oh, good, Claire.
2, 3.
That's okay.
It's alright.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Obviously, we need to research this a little bit better.
Sticky tape.
Yeah.
You said it's better than normal.
I know that, but I mean, criminals aren't going to come and put.
You cover your benches with,
So that's the detection system, is it? Have sticky tape over all your benches. Oh, that's good. Yeah.
Stick in my book.
Yes, please.
With the white pad, I can't open the lid because I've got a sore hand.
Not meant to open the lid. It's got holes in it like a salt shaker. Oh, Ryan. Oh, great. That's perfect. That's perfect. Now, whether you can tape that and put on some black paper and then put it in your book might be the way to go.
That didn't work.
Kind of didn't work.
It's
I can actually see it in it. Oh, okay, yeah, it's not bad. Good. Good. Can you see if you can lift that with some...
This on white.
That's good. Oh, that's a black one.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Yeah, good.
And pepper.
Great.
It didn't work.
Didn't work?
Did a little bit.
Okay, so, yeah. It's obviously not a good surface for lifting prints. Obviously we need a harder surface like glass or something like that. Okay. Maybe the porcelain tile might have been better. That. Okay, we've just wipe them down with paper towel, please.
You wash it? Wash it with water or
Just to give that a wash with water, please. Okay, we've got quite a mess here now to clean up. It's a bit messier than I had anticipated. Could you start packing up now, please, because we'll need to leave a little bit longer than we normally do. Okay? Put the tiles back where you got them from. Angus. It's not mud pie making. The hand lenses go in the box over there, I think. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Put that in your book, please. Good, Tom. Just put your hand lower down in the sink, Dan. Well, I was hoping you would have actually cut them out and then put them in your book.
Cut 'em out.
Yeah, if you do that. Good.
Can I have the white powder?
Start packing up. Start cutting out the prints. Make sure they're in your book, please. Johnny, you're up. Right. Who was working over here? Aaron? Who was working with you?
Charlie and Brent.
Yeah. Will you guys just clean up that area for me, please?
Look at that, Mr. Burrows.
That's good. How'd you do it?
No, I did. I put it on a glass with
Oh.
white powder.
Did you? On glass with white powder?
And then I blew it.
Rather than brush it?
Yeah.
Ah, smart. See? You guys are much smarter than me.
That's what they do in the movies. They blow it. They go,
Do they really? That investment your parents have made into a television set has been worthwhile, hasn't it? I don't know. I haven't asked that question. I'll ask that question for you later. Okay? Right. Aaron? Well, Charlie, would you guys just pack up over there, please? Okay. Right. Angus? Steve, will you... Oh, fantastic.
yeah.
They're good. You actually did them very well there. Yeah. They're the clearest set I've seen. They're all clear because they're not too heavy. Great. Yeah, that's true.
Where's the black paper, Mr. Burrows?
Sorry?
I did this one in back.
Should be in there. The black paper's in there. Okay. Who was working over here?
That must have been us.
Well, you guys clean up, please, Will. Steve?
Damn it.
You guys clean up, please. Who was working there? Okay, fine. Well, whose is it, do you know? Amy, where were you guys working? Did you move up the back there?
Tom.
Katie? Tom? Maybe thank you.
Yeah, so did Dad. Hey, no.
You know you don't talk like that.
No. Except us. When were you?
I will. Let's not worry about it. Just tidy up what you can, please. Lee, will you just grab that stamp pad, please, and just pop it on the trolley? Thank you.
You're what? I need a microphone.
Sorry? Yes, the questions are in the... It's written on the board there. Questions 1 to 4 on page 15. Questions 1 and 2 on page 16. Yeah, that's right. Oh, okay, yes, yes. Amy, you guys just tidy up this, please. Just pop on... Yeah, Katie can help you. Well, I'll put most of it away. Just put the hand lenses in there, please. I think pads just go on the bench trolley there. There's a couple more hand lenses there. Thanks, Katie. Tom, come on. In your book, please. Get your book set up. I'd really like you getting organised, Tom. Page 14, 15 and page 16. Aaron, you make sure you get that in your book, please. We really need to get your bookwork organised. Grant, where's your book? Open up and show me what you've done, please. Thanks, Amy. Thanks, Katie. Have you guys got your books in order? Fully under control, okay. Okay, so, Grant, just tape it in now. There's some sticky tape here, Grant. The sticky tape here if you need to get it in your books. Oh, that hand lens can go, Luke. Angus, come here, please. Would you mind cleaning out where you were working, please? Okay. That looks good to me. Great. Okay, what about these ones? Okay, start doing it. No, I just really would like you now to have the evidence in your books. That's the fingerprints, along with the questions 1 to 4 on page 15 and questions 1 and 2 on page 16. How are you going, John? Johnny, they're not in your book yet. Okay, fine. You've only got another couple of minutes, so really you need to get moving on that. Which one? In which way, sorry? Look at the hand lens. I mean, the idea should be that there should be something in common with them. But in fact, no, they'll all be different. Exactly, right? Some people have walls and swirls, and some have arches. Okay, and that might be common, but the actual individual prints should be different.
So, mine are different? All of them are the same, aren't they?
Are they? Well, have a look at them through the microscope. I don't think they're all the same. Yep.
Are any of your fingerprints the same? Does that mean you and someone else?
Yes, you and someone else. I mean, I'm sure you know the answer to that because we can use fingerprints for identification.
So, do they mean... So, question 1, you can see...
Well, if other people's fingerprints were going to be the...
it's not just yours?
No, not yours. It's yours with other people's.
So we're comparing...
You're comparing, Victoria, yes.
I need it now.
Amanda, you're frowning. Well, just have a look now. Have a look at Ryan's. Okay, time flies when you're having a good time, doesn't it? No? Okay. Could you please pack your books up? Make sure you put your chairs in and you go to your humanities class. Two scissors. Don't you?
How do you know we've got to
Yeah,
I think you do.
video?